Hi, I'm Mark Dreyfus, Federal Member for Isaacs and Parliamentary Secretary for Climate Change. Last week, Prime Minister Julia Gillard announced a plan to cut carbon pollution. It's a plan which is a necessary economic change for our country, and it's something we're going to keep working on through the rest of this year. We're hoping that the plan to cut carbon pollution, putting a price on carbon, can come into effect on the 1st of July 2012. And we're looking for the support of every single member of the party to go out and talk to people about why it's necessary to have a price on carbon, why this is a necessary step to get our economy moving towards a low carbon future, which is where we need to be.